Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're jumping into the world of Canva. Canva is a web-based graphics design tool that offers a wide array of easy-to-use features for beginners. You can use it to make shirts, videos, thumbnails, posters, and pretty much anything you can think of. The best part is there are templates for everything, which is perfect for those of us that aren't very skilled at designing. Canva now features a host of new AI tools that make it even easier to use. We'll start off with the AI tools available for those who have the free version, and then we'll jump into the pro version. This is Canva's homepage. There's different types of media and documents you can choose from, but right now we're just gonna pick an Instagram post. Now we're gonna go to Apps and select the text-to-image icon. This works pretty much the same way as any other text-to-image program, where you type what image you want in the prompt box. You also have the option of picking a particular style and the aspect ratio. Once you select Create Your Image, it will provide you with 4 images to choose from. Let's type in birthday cake in the prompt box, and then we'll select Playful as the style. I'll leave the aspect ratio as a square. The first one looks nice. Let's pick that one. So let's say I like the cake, but I don't like the hat candle on top of it. Let's click on Edit Photo, which will bring up 3 AI tools: Background Remover, Magic Eraser, and Magic Edit. Let's start with Magic Edit. We'll get to the other 2 later since they are only available in the Pro version. To use Magic Edit, brush over the part you want to fix first. When you're done, hit Continue and then type in the prompt box what image you want in the area that you brushed. I'm gonna type in a unicorn. Click which image you like and then hit Done. In order to save it, go to File, hit Download, and then hit Download in the new box that pops up. And then you get to see a mini celebration for your first design. Let's go back to the home page. For the next AI tool, we're going to pick a document. Click the plus sign and select Magic Write. Magic Write is good for brainstorming ideas and works in a similar fashion to Chat GPT. In this example, I'm going to ask it 5 reasons why people should try AI. And here are the results. 5 reasons why people should try AI. Back to the homepage we go. For the next AI tool, we're going to pick presentations. Let's click on the Canva assistant on the bottom right corner, which looks like a group of stars. Now, select Magic Design and describe what you want your presentation to be about. Let's stick to the same topic. 5 reasons people should try AI. Once it's finished, select your template style and customize each of the slides with whatever photos or text that you'd like. Or if you prefer, you can just leave it as is. But it's probably a good idea if you contribute something to the presentation. Make sure that if you are using the free version that you don't use any photos, videos, or music with the crown symbol on it, since only members with pro accounts are able to use these for commercial purposes. Okay, on to the next AI tool. Let's say you want this presentation in another language but don't want to redo all the text again. Let's go back to the apps on the left-hand corner and click on Translate. You can select what language you want to translate the presentation to, as well as which pages. We're going to have all the slides translated in Spanish. As you can see, each slide has now been duplicated into Spanish. Muy bien. Okay, you know the drill. Back to the home page. This time we're going to pick video. Now for this example, I've strung together a couple of stock photos and videos with transitions in between them to show you how this next AI tool works. Just click and drag the audio file underneath the video. Let's see the video without any adjustments first. Okay, now we're going to see what it looks like using the BeatSync AI tool. To use it, go to the top left and click BeatSync. Now, if you had the Pro version, it would sync your video to the beat automatically. But since we're using the free account, we're just going to use the display beat markers, which is still helpful because it will show you tick marks where the beat is. But you'll have to manually adjust each transition. See these tick marks? This is where you want the beginning of each transition to begin. Give me a sec while I adjust all of the media. Okay, let's see what the video looks like now with BeatSync. Well, that's pretty much it for the free version. Let's log out of the free account and log into my pro account now. Before we go any further, you probably want to know about the pricing. If you're doing it monthly, it's $12.99 a month. If you pay for a yearly subscription, it's about $120 for the year. Now, let's get back to the AI tools we couldn't test fully in the free version. That leaves us with the last two AI tools, Background Remover and Magic Erase. Both can be found when editing a photo. Let's go back to that Instagram post and upload the unicorn cake again. Click on Edit Photo and then select Background Remover. If there are any parts of the background that were left over, click on Background Remover again and then erase the remaining parts that you don't want. Once you're finished, go to File and then download it. Make sure to check off the box that says Transparent Background when you download it. All right, let's delete that image and start over again by uploading the unicorn cake again. This time we're going to use the Magic Eraser tool. That line in the middle of the cake looks weird. I'm just going to brush over it to take it out. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so just keep erasing it until it's gone. Huh, my persistence paid off. Oh, was one last thing I wanted to show you. Let's go back to videos. So that background remover tool actually works for videos as well as photos. So let's say I wanted to change the background of a video that I previously made. All you have to do is upload your new background and then upload the old video that you want to use. Let's get rid of that ugly white background. Make sure the video is highlighted and then select Edit Video on the top left corner. Now select Background Remover. Once the background is gone, you can reposition the subject wherever you want, and you won't even be able to tell it was a recycled video. Well, I guess that does it. Hopefully you learned a little something about Canva today. I can't wait to see what designs you come up with. Please subscribe if you want to keep seeing more of these AI tutorials. See you soon!